Hey, realtors, last and third myth that I'm going to bring up in this series is about the VA being harder to close, not because of appraisals, as we mentioned, and it's not a bad borrower because of their down payment, but they're harder to close because of the inspections. All right, so what inspection does a VA have that's different? When you go to buy a property, you have your inspector go around and look at everything. I recommend you do a second inspection for mold because I had a huge mold issue and it was terrible. The inspection that the VA requires is a termite inspection. Here in South Florida, there's a lot of termites. Also in Texas, there's not only termites, it's just not just termites, but it's wood destroying organisms. So we automatically think termites, but there are carpenter ants that could be wood destroying organisms as well. We need to make sure that the property is safe of that. It doesn't have it. Yeah, okay. So you get an inspection done, they find evidence of termites, and the seller is forced to tent the property before closing or do some other kind of treatment. It's a pain, yeah. But if you come and you do a mold inspection and there's mold, that's a pain too, right? Are you protecting your client or are you protecting yourself? Now, for a listing agent, someone that's listing the property to sell it, and you say, oh, I don't want this termite inspection, what you're doing is you're discriminating against veterans. You're saying this veteran can't get this house because maybe my seller has termites and I don't want this veteran to be protected and taken care of and get a great program or the house that they really want for selfish reasons. When you're saying that only conventional is allowed on a property or cash and not VA and FHA, you're discriminating. You're especially discriminating against the veterans, people who have served this country, helped you enjoy the freedoms that you have, and you're gonna discriminate. You're not gonna tell your seller, listen, VA loans are very good. Let's not discriminate against these veterans. Let's give them a benefit. Maybe you're gonna have some issue with termites. That's really it. Everything else is great. So that's it. Phil Stevenson, Mortgage Nerd. Thanks.